Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zapier for connecting PM tools, quick tutorials. Visit the Zapier website. Click on the Sign Up button. Choose your preferred sign-up method, either with Google or email. If signing up with email, enter your name and email address. Create a password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password and click Sign Up. Check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Zapier dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Click on the Explore tab to discover available integrations. Search for the project management tools you want to connect. Click on the tool you wish to integrate with. Follow the prompts to connect your account. Authorize Zapier to access your project management tool. Choose the trigger and action you want to set up. Define the specifics for your trigger and action. Test the integration to ensure everything works smoothly. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. Name your Zap and click Turn on Zap. Your integration is now live and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.